Hi guys, this is Deepak from 91 Mobiles, and you should meet the Essential phone. Now, as you can see, this is a near bezel-less device, almost edge-to-edge screen. There's that little notch on top which contains the front 8 megapixel camera, and even otherwise very interesting device. There's a ceramic back, dual 13 megapixel cameras, very high resolution crisp display. This is a 5.7 inch 1312 by 2560 display, which is a strange resolution because it gives you a slightly weird aspect ratio of 16:10. USB type C port, SIM slot at the bottom, speaker, and just the volume keys and power key on the right. So this comes encased in a titanium reinforced body. The specs are flagship as of last year, so basically Snapdragon 835, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 GB storage. So stock Android, nothing really special on their software front. You can see a fingerprint scanner, dual cameras. There's a pogo pin connector here at the back which accepts a 360-degree camera accessory, and that should be interesting to check out as well. Really nice looking phone, reminds me of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2, but this is special as well. The little notch on top, of course, makes it interesting. The screen sort of flows around it, slightly similar to what Apple has done on the iPhone 10. Really snappy. Here's a look at the camera interface, auto, slow motion, is HDR. So this was a quick look at the Essential phone.
No, because I saw that you were looking at the phone and yeah.
Very nice, gorgeous looking edge-to-edge screen on this one. Hopefully there's news doing the rounds that Essential will be launching in India very soon, and we'll have the updates as and when that happens. For now, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel.